Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie Stories, and I'm like guys sikhuluma ngozalo. Well guys, siku season 12 isizini entsha shani yabona guys ukuthi ke ama viewers ozalo aphakeme ke kakhulu. Lina 12 years uzalo lukhona baligxikile but ke aluyindawo. Kuyoba namahlibezi uthi ke unkunzi uyashiya ke kulomdlalo isoze reportile but bathi bamemfonela wathi cha akukho la yakhona asazi guys he might say akahambi but ke mhlambe uyahamba yabo but ke guys what you can expect namhlanje njengoba kulesithathu but just as the judge is ready to give her judgment of Nkunzi's case, the trial takes an unexpected 10. So guys, into ezokwenzeka namhlanje niyabona ukuthi uNkazimulo akazwene kahle nomkhulu wakhe ngenxa yezinto ezenzekile ke phakathi kwabothu. So today guys, uNkazimulo would just go and be a witness ezovele ke nje ithatha ubamkhulu wayo imfaye ngaphansi kwebhasi. And ke guys ke ijudge ke kuphoqeleke ukuthi bathi go and revisit the judgment ade sibethi ke bayinika ke unkunzi. Bathi ke uNkazimulo noma ke uGeja ke uzophoxeka ngendlela ke enza ngakhona ke uNkazimulo. Asaze guys ukuthi uzogcina ephumeni nike but nje kulenyanga basengathi ke unkunzi uzotholoza khona ke le etilongweni ke until mhlambe ke ubufakazi obusha buvela. But for now uNkazimulo guys is nailing umkhulu wakhe esikhofeni or ibhokisi kaNkunzi ke uyena olishayelayo amakhono ukuthi angaphumi ke phakathi. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.